Hi, this is Diamond H, Farmhouse Swank, and this is a little DIY do-it-yourself short video on how to get rid of fruit flies. I bought bananas and a couple of days later I had fruit flies. And so what I've done is I bought some Bragg organic apple cider vinegar with the mother, and I put it out overnight, and they're floating in the top of it, as you can see. But you take it and you shake it up and you put it in the container that you have, and you just leave it there. And I'm going to take this and show you that you can see them. They go in, and they can't swim, and they can't get out. Okay. Again, apple cider vinegar, I don't really think that it matters what kind of apple cider vinegar, but I do know that the Bragg organic works. This is just a little do-it-yourself video. Check out my other videos on my YouTube channel, Diamond H Farmhouse Swank, and please subscribe. Thank you.